Found this really cool thing on Amazon, and I think it's worth at least a look. Um, Please bear with me on this horrible video, but hopefully the point will get across as to why this product is so good and something that you might want to add to the things that you carry with you while you camp or RV.
Well, let's take a look at unboxing this thing. For the price, it definitely doesn't come in any kind of extravagant looking box. And let's see what you get inside, okay? You get two little batteries. You get one. Boy, they packed in there tight too. And 2 units, so you get, for the price you get 2 units and 2 pair of batteries, or 2 batteries. So let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, it looks like this. And it says on there aquarium thermometer. Now what makes this different from all the other really cheap thermometers that you have out there? Well, it's the probe, or I guess that's what you call it. It's this piece right here. This, at the end of this cord, is what takes the temperature, and this is the readout. So why is this important? You can stick this outside of a backpack, on the outside of a car, your van, your RV, and have this on the inside where you can tell what the temperature is. So you could put this, let's say you're going camping out, and you could put this inside your sleeping bag to see what the temperature is inside the sleeping bag, and have this on the outside where you can read it. Or you can stick this outside the tent and have this on the inside of the tent to see what the temperature is on the inside. So I think for the price, this is one of the nicer things you can get for your tent or your RV or any kind of outdoor activity. So that's that.